Hello, this is an unboxing video for manufacturer number 34141. This is by Hogue. This is an aluminum frame 4-inch drop point blade. It's olive drab green with a tumble finish. I'm going to unbox this with you so you can get a better look at it. Here you have your information about your knife, your customer satisfaction, and your care and maintenance. Get this out for you so you can see. Hold it up a little bit. I'm going to open it so you can get a better look at the blade. This little switch right here locks it in place so you can't close it. Flip the switch back, hit the release button, and it closes. And again, this is an aluminum frame 4-inch drop point blade. It's olive drab green with a tumble finish, and this is by Hogue.